Hi, today we will discuss how to sort an array in JavaScript. Now I am going to use an object array. So basically we can go for sorting ascending or descending. But this time what I am trying to do is uh, you can delete an object in a particular index, and then you can push some different value to that same array, and you can make that arrangement, you can make that array same like before, so this has some use cases actually. So uh, right now I'm going to start with the coding actually. So basically once you come to see what I'm doing, then might be it will be applicable to you also, because I need my current requirement is I need what I can tell you is okay, 1 minute, I will open the code editor. Now my current requirement is I need to delete an object based on the value changes. So it comes on to the Angular side actually, but right now since I'm trying to do on Node, so I'm doing it on Node. So basically, what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to delete an object in an array. Then I try to push a new value into that array and make that the array structure same as before. Okay, so this is going to be the array structure. So this is going to be the first value, and I'm going to copy and paste for the second value, and copy and paste for the third value, sorry, and I will change the from date to date, and I'm going to give it as 2025, and this is going to be the cycle key. So it has nothing to do with you, with this key value pair. I'm just trying to inform like how can you delete and you can add and make it in the same structure like this. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I have created an array. Then what I'm planning to do is I'm going to find the index of the array which I'm planning to delete. Obj dot key, if it is equal to maybe I will take the first value from date. So this will find the index, and now I'm going to check the condition like if the index is not equal to -1, that means if the index is more than 1, then it means there is an object in the name of from date in in the object key. So I'm going to delete that array. I mean, sorry, that value from that index. So what is going to happen is if you delete this array, it will become empty, and now I am going to consolidate that array into what I can tell you is so it is going to be an empty. I mean, first index is, I mean, the first index or the zeroth index is going to be empty right now. So I don't want an empty object available there with filling that index 0. So basically, I'm trying to delete that index uh, which doesn't have any object. So I am going to delete and I am going to put it in a new array. Delete in the sense I'm going to filter it actually. You're going to check like the object keys. If its length is going to be not equal to 0, then if such an thing is there, filter that value and move the other values into the underscore array, and then I will reassign that filtered array back into the array, into the main array. Okay, so space actually. Then now for me I have a new value like since I have deleted it, then I need to push a new value into it. I'm going to push the from date again. So what does pushing does is it will be adding this from date to the last of that array. So but as per the initial arrangement, the from date should be on the starting index. So I take for instance I have a different value right now. I might get it from the HMI screen or from UI. So I got this value. So if you go and console and log, I'll run this and show you. So it would have been removed, the from date would have been removed from the first index, and since we have pushed, it will be added to the last index. You can see here it is added to the last index, but as per the requirement, I need this from date to be above this to date. So I'm going to do, I mean, I'm going to make that coding for that. For that, what I'm planning to do is I'm going to declare an array. which has three entities, and three indexes. This thing you cannot use for large array, but this is my requirement which I need to do. So now I will find each value, each keys from that particular array. Now this will give the index of from date. So I know that I need this to be on the first index. So I put it onto the first index. So basically the same thing you need to do for all the other three values. So the arrangement gets into same intact, same way as the initial array. The value here is going to be, index is going to be 1 because I need the to date to be on the second index. And cycle key, copy it from here to here. It is going to be the cycle key. Then it should be on the third index. And now we'll console.log and check. Oh, we cannot console.log because you didn't reassign to the original array. So you need to rearrange that to the original array. And we'll have the names repeated in the sense initial array, deleted array, then value pushed array, then the modified array. You can see that the initial array has three value: from date, to date, and cycle key. When I delete the from date, we have only to date and cycle key. So when I pushed a value, it just get added to the last of that array. So, but initial arrangement is the from date should be at the top. So I modified as per the logics from 19 till 35. So it got modified to the initial state from date to date and cycle key. And this serves my current requirement. Thank you.